Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on and how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. So first, let's just open the settings application, and after that tap on the Wi-Fi section. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate it, click here once on the switcher. Now we can see here all the available networks. For example, let's just select one from these networks. I'll use this one. Just here we can enter the password, and if you want to see this password, just click here once on the side icon, for example, to handle some mistakes. So I'll do this out of screen. Okay, then just tap here to OK on the right upper corner, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select one more on the one more network. You just can enter the password here, tap to connect, and that's it. And after that you can switch between these two networks, or you can use the Wi-Fi assistant. You can turn on the switcher and your Wi-Fi that will just switch, or your device will switch. This Wi-Fi assistant will just switch this with the best Wi-Fi connection. Also, you can just turn it off by click once on the switcher, and also we can use it and turn on the Wi-Fi by the second way. Just first open the notification panel, and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click once on the icon, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and now just by the same way select network, enter the password, and tap to connect. If you want to turn it off, just click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.